Game over for him. Breaking into change of direction and the front just gives way.
Now Dovizioso's gone down as well.
Doviziozo can't believe it.
Maverick Vinales just didn't get off the line very well. It's simple as that.
Oh, it's Petrucci.
Zarco check.
Chain reaction. So apologies there to Jhoan Zarco.
He went across the line in 8th place. Disaster for Paul on Danilo Petrucci. Has he just given himself a bit too much to do into turn 1?
To pass a Ducati at the end of a straight. I think as well for another Italian.
It could have been a fairy tale.
Mamma mia, that's what they're saying in the garage.
100th podium, unfortunately, disappear. It's a turn 2 crash on lap 60.
Game over for him.
Breaking into change of direction and the front just gives way. Chip here, and so disappointed is Valentino Rossi. Didn't Jarvis giving Valentino Rossi a pat on the back. It's been his best chance of winning a race. There was no warning whatsoever, was there?
You know, it's that left-hander, that treacherous turn.
This is the view from Quartararo.
I just wonder whether that was a... Just see. Game over for him.
Breaking into change of direction and the front just gives way.